You're listening to 91.1 The Avenue. I'm Ann Koenig, and we're talking about the Mile of Music, which is taking place in downtown Appleton now through Sunday. I am joined by the lone Canary of Rockford, Illinois, and they are Heather Camacho. Did I get that right?
That's correct. Good job.
And Jesse Fox.
That's right.
Welcome.
Hi.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
So you guys just rolled in from Rockford.
Yes.
And
Last night, late.
ready
Like
to
1:30 in the morning we got here.
Yeah.
I appreciate you being here so early.
Yeah.
In case we're a little rusty, it's Mile.
That's
Be
right.
kind. It's early, and the party's just getting started.
Right.
So, you guys are out of Rockford, and tell us, tell our listeners a little bit about you.
Yeah. Heather and I, we've been playing together probably for a little over 20 years.
Off and on.
Off
Yeah,
and on. And then
different
this
ways.
band, I think we've been together for close to 5
No,
or 6.
it was 2014.
No idea. I haven't done the math. It's
Right.
early.
Seven.
Math is hard. It's early.
6 or 7 years.
Did
Oh,
I
there you
read
go.
that you guys, sang together in high school and church and
Yep.
all of that stuff?
Yeah.
And so,
Yeah,
Yeah, I
we
heard-
grew up a couple blocks away from each other, and my dad was his guitar teacher.
Yeah.
And so we were in church bands and other bands together through high school and out of high school as well.
I'm expecting that you guys have some good harmonies.
Hopefully.
We try.
We'll
Yeah.
see how my voice is this morning.
Mile of Music is all about getting the live, alternate, real personal and intimate
Yes.
performances rather than perfection.
Yes.
So, these are the things that memories are made of.
Exactly.
It's handcrafted.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want machine perfection, I don't know.
Go somewhere else.
Go somewhere else.
Turn the radio.
Turn the beat box.
Well, not this
The
radio.
radio isn't.
Yeah, I was gonna say, not this radio station,
Well,
because this
they
is the
came here
kind
for
of thing we do.
Perfection. Yeah.
We're for music lovers.
That's right.
So, speaking of music lovers, can you give us a song and give listeners a chance to hear what you do?
Absolutely. Yeah.
All right.
All right. This song's called The Silence. We wrote it for our newest album that came out right before COVID hit. So we haven't really gotten to tour with many of these songs. Luckily, we get to showcase some of them at Mile. So this is The Silence.
Your silence chills me deep in my bones. No feelings left, just stone for a soul. Ooh. Your unspoken anger resounds. It echoes through my head, round and round. Ooh. Let me in, let me burn the walls you've built. Come up from the pit within your soul. Your eyes have darkened, no life to be seen. I feel your heavy heart, it weighs on me. Ooh. Let me in, let me burn the walls you've built. Come up from the pit within your soul. from the pain within your soul.
Well, that was gorgeous. Thank you very
thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
They are the Lone Canary. They'll be playing at Mile of Music 8. How many? You've got quite a few gigs.
I think we have 4 this weekend.
Okay, so and
2
you-
today and 2 tomorrow.
All right.
Or
So
Thursday and Friday.
You
whatever
have to catch them either Thursday or Friday, but you can find all of that information using the Mile of Music app, or grab a schedule downtown and check it out. They're a great new discovery. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is Ann, and you're listening to 91.1 The Avenue. This is The Avenue's Mile of Music coverage. Our Mile of Music coverage is made possible with support from Nicolet National Bank. Nicolet Bank is a supporting partner of The Avenue.